Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing great. It's a little bit chilly outside because it's windy. Let's go ahead and do our morning message. It says, good morning with the exclamation point. Today is, so we know that yesterday was Tuesday. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. What comes after Tuesday? Wednesday, right? Wednesday with the capital W. Wednesday. April 29th, 2020. We are still in the season of spring. It's going to be partly sunny today. It is going to be very windy. Our digital date is 4-29-20. Our first skill, I'm going to zoom you guys in just a tiny bit. It says, let's match the beginning blend to the correct picture. So we're looking for the first two sounds that are blended together at the beginning of each picture. So at the beginning of each word, remember we're looking for the beginning sound. So that means the initial sounds, the ones that we hear first. This is a picture of a skunk, right? Let's listen to the word skunk. Let's stretch that word. Skunk. What's the first sounds that we hear? Sk. What two letters make that sound? Good, S and K. So I would go ahead and match up my skunk to the letter S and the letter K. The next one that we have is a picture of, I know you guys want to say a glass or a drink, but it's actually the small, tiny little crack. If I scoot you forward, you might be able to see it. It's a small, tiny crack on the glass. So stretch that word, crack, crack. What's the first two sounds that we hear? Crack. What two letters make those sounds? Good, C and R. And then the very last one, we have a picture of a drill. You guys have probably seen this. Dad probably has one in the garage or something. Drill. We're looking for the very first two sounds. Stretch the word. Drill. Drill. What two letters make those sounds? And that's our last one, which is a D and a R. Good. The next skill that we have says, let's find out how many words there are in a sentence, and let's also underline the nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing. And the words, we know that the words are given whenever there is a finger space between, right? So if we go through and count the words, because that's the first thing they ask us to do, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words. So I would fill it in here, 9 words. Now let's go ahead and underline the nouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, animal, or thing. I'm going to read the sentence. The plane can go up and down in the sky. So did you hear a noun? The plane can go up and down in the sky. Good. Plane is one of our nouns. A plane is a thing. We have one more noun in the sentence. Can go up and down in the sky. Good. Sky is our other noun in the sentence, and it's also a, where's the sky? Is it a person, place, animal, or thing? It could be a thing or a place, depending on what kind of sky we're talking about. All right, and then our last one, our math skill. I'm gonna clip it up so that we can see it a little bit better. We have been working on some addition and subtraction problems in math this week, so it's going to be a little bit of a refresher. Just kidding. All right, there we go. All right. So it says, let's use the number bonds to create addition number sentences. So we have our number bonds, and if we look at the very first number bond, we have 8, 3, and 5. That means that these two meet together to make the 8. So we know that their 8 is the answer, right? And that means 3 plus 5. Whoops, that's an ugly 3. Plus 5 equals 8. Let's try it out. 3 plus 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Does it equal to 8? Yes, it does. So that means we flip-flop the next two numbers, which would be 5 plus 3 equals 8. The next number bond that we have is, we have 10, 8, and 2. We know that 10 is our answer because these two feed into one box. So these two numbers meet at the number 10. So that would be our answer, right? We know that these two, it doesn't matter what order, we just have to flip-flop them. We have 2 plus 8 equals 10. Let's try 2 plus 8. Let's start at 8 and let's go up 2. 8, 9, 10. Does it equal 10? Yes, it does. So if we flip-flop these numbers, which would be 8 and 2, we know that it'll equal to 10. Again, start at 8 and count up 2. 8, 9, 10, and we have 10 as our answer. The last number bond that we have is 4, 2, and 6. Again, these two feed into this box here, which is the number 6, so we know that's our answer, and I could fill it in on both lines if I wanted. And then we're going to use these top two numbers to fill in the addition problem. 4 plus 2 equals 6. So if we count up 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 2 more, 5, 6. Does it equal to 6? Yes, it does. So now we're going to flip-flop the numbers. So now we have 2 plus 4. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And yes, it does equal to 6. And that is it for our morning message.